To use the sound effects option in iMovie, you're going to touch the word audio in the center on the right-hand side, then choose the word sound effects. You'll see a list of options. To preview each sound, you can tap the word. To use that sound, you'll touch the plus symbol. I happen to want to put the bicycle sound in this portion of the movie, so I'm going to touch the plus symbol. But I only wanted a short version of it. I want it to stop when all of the pellets are in the bowl. So to change that, you can tap the sound effect. On the bottom row, you'll see actions, speed, and volume. I want to shorten the amount of time that that sound is playing, so I touch actions and I extend to the right-hand side and I pull backwards. And I'm going to have the sound stop right about here when all of the pellets are in the bowl. I can also adjust the volume so that it's not as loud as the voice that's talking. I want it to appear kind of in the background. Okay, that's what you need to know about sound effects. Try it out.